Hi everyone, welcome to Fresh Learning Academy. So the biggest hiring event is back. Yes, I'm talking about TCS campus hiring for the batch of 2021. So TCS NQT, which is National Qualification Test 2021, has begun. You have to check what is the eligibility criteria, age, exam pattern, and everything about the campus hiring YOP 2021. So let's get started and find out all the answers of your questions in this video. So NQT National Qualifier Test gives you the gateway to thousands of top jobs. TCS NQT have announced its 2021 registration, eligibility, age, exam pattern and everything related to TCS campus hiring 2021. So Tata Consultancy Services has released the notification for National Qualifier Test. The candidates who are really interested and eligible to appear for NQT can start to register from now onwards. So, to know the details regarding the test and apply, I will tell you everything in detail in this video. Remember that the last date for registration of NQT is 17th October 2020. So, stay active for all the updates from TCS. So how you can register? It is very simple. You have to click on this green tab where it says register now. As you will click on this, you will get something like this, wherein you have to log in using your email ID and password, or you can also continue with any of this social media sites. Okay. And if you are new to a digital learning hub, then you have to first click over here and then you have to create a new account wherein you will say whether you are a learner, publisher, or distributor. So here you will click on learner, your full name, mail ID, password. You have to confirm your password, your phone number, and then OTP will be sent to you or on your mobile number, which you have to validate. Okay, and then by clicking on all the terms and conditions, you have to create your account. This is only when you are not registered on TCS IN. But if you have already registered on this website, then you don't have to repeat this process once again. You can directly go and log in to your account. So let us start from the scratch. First of all, it is very important to know what the National Qualifier Test is. So the NQT is a multi-level assessment to assess the competencies and skill to generate an associated score. So this is based on the core cognitive processes which is required for the entry level jobs. Industry specific knowledge and insight along with the specialization on skills required for performing the job role. So this is what National Qualifier Test is all about. This is about to assess your competencies and to generate an associated score. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? So, any undergraduate, postgraduate, and diploma students in their pre-final and final year can apply for this. Students with any degree and specialization and freshers with less than 2 years of experience are eligible to apply for NQT. Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria in regard with the marks in detail. So any applicant who have minimum 60% or 6 CGPA throughout academics and an aggregate of 60% or 6 CGPA in the highest qualification till the semester for which result have been declared can apply for it. But the applicant must not have more than one active backlog or arrear or ATKT while appearing for the TCS selection process. In case you are selected and the student or you join TCS, and if you have cleared all pending backlogs, areas, ATKT within the course duration as stipulated by the university, then it is fine. But if you fail to do so, your joining will not be permitted. So please be very sure about this criteria. Now, let us talk about various kind of course types and who can apply. So, only full-time courses will be considered. Part-time correspondence course will not be considered at all. Applicants with secondary and senior secondary course from NIOS, which is National Institute of Open Schooling, can apply if the other courses are full-time. Now, let me tell you about the age. So, an applicant should be between 18 to 28 years of age if he or she would like to participate in the TCS campus hiring process. Now, let us talk about any gap or break in the education. So, it is mandatory to declare academic gaps. Overall break should not exceed 24 months. If there is any kind of exceptions, then it will be only permissible for valid reason. That too will be subject to satisfactory check of relevant documents at the time of test, interview, or onboarding. What the exam pattern will look like. Now, the test section will be divided into following section: verbal ability, reasoning ability, numerical ability, programming logic, and coding. So total number of questions would be 92, and the duration in minutes, if you talk, it will be 180 minutes. Verbal ability will have 24 questions and 30-minute will be the duration. Reasoning ability comprises of 30 questions and duration is 50 minutes. Numerical ability is for 40 minutes and the number of question is 26. 10 questions will be asked from programming logic and it will be of 15 minutes. Coding will be of 45 minutes and only 2 questions will be asked. So in total 180 minutes and 92 questions would be asked to you. This is how the exam pattern looks like. Now, let me tell you about the registration process. Also, I will take you to the official website of TCS and will tell you everything in detail. So, step number one will be that you have to register for the entrance aptitude test on the National Qualifier Test, which is NQT website. Okay, so the link I will give you in the description box, wherein you can click and go directly to the page where you can register. Now, while registering yourself, be very careful about certain things. So, you have to select subject test option in the NQ2 registration form, which includes programming test to ensure your candidature is considered for TCS campus hiring YOP program. So, what you have to keep in mind is you have to register on the form which says programming test. Now, step 2 is you have to navigate to TCS Next Step portal and the registration link is this, which I will provide in the description box. So some very important thing which you have to keep in mind is if you are a 2021 YOP, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA and if you have submitted the application form, you have to click on apply for drive. Okay, so these are the things which you have to keep in mind. And there you have to update your NQT registration number in the text box provided and then you have to click on apply. And if your status is registered, then you have to submit the application form and click on apply for drive. Update your NQT registration number in the text box provided, click on apply. And to confirm your application status for TCS campus hiring, you have to navigate to the track your application tab on the next step portal. So the status displayed should be applied for drive. I will tell you everything in detail. We'll move to the registration. So here we are on the official page of TCS IN. Okay, you can see over here learning.tcsinhub.in. This is the official page where you have to go and register yourself for the national qualifier test. Now you can see over here that there is a green tab register now and it is mentioned that the registration will close on 17th October 2020. Registration guideline is mentioned over here. So if you have any doubt regarding what the registration guideline is all about, you can click over here and study or read everything in detail. Also, there is a good news for you all that there will be a sample test which will be available from 30th September 2020. So you just have to come over here on 30th September 2020 and the sample test will be available which you can see how much preparation you have done. Now, what is national qualifier test all about? This we have already discussed in the previous slides. About the test, we all know that it will be valid for 2 years. The NQT score is valid for 2 years and it will help you to apply for any entry level role in any corporate if you have your good NQT score. Who can apply? I have also told about all this that the freshers with less than 2 years of experience, UG/PG diploma student in the pre-final and final year and student with any degree and specialization can apply for this test. Now, what the structure look like? So this also I have described you in the previous slide, but you can go through it really quick. So verbal ability 24 question 30 minutes, reasoning ability 30 questions 50 minutes, numerical ability 26 question 40 minutes, and total 80 question of 120 minute will be there. Why you should give national qualifier test? Because it improves your employability quotient. You can build a competitive edge over others with additional industry NQT and subject NQT scores. It gives you increased visibility, which means it is recognized by several corporates across industry segments. Now, unlimited attempts is what gives you opportunity to improve your score with additional attempts. All this test is aligned with the industry. So this is designed by the subject matter experts, and this is in alignment with industry expectation. Also, this test is a structured test, and it is based on the standardized benchmark test, which is used for assessing general ability, attitudinal alignment, and industry specific skills. So it is a journey to your dream job. The only thing which you have to do is you have to register, then you have to select the mode, whether you would like to go to center or at home. You have to take the test, then get a benchmark score with a validity of 2 years, and then you can access unlimited job openings. Okay. Now, if you have any question related to anything, there are so many FAQs, frequently asked questions, which you will get to see over here on this website, and then you will get answers to all those questions, like what is the national qualified test, what is industry NQT, what is subject NQT, how will the NQT score help me in getting a job. So if I will tell you all these things in detail, the video will really get very very lengthy. So you can check all these FAQs on the official website of TCS Iron Hub. So I think this is more than enough. Okay, if you have any question, you can always request a call back from them. You can call back to their toll free number. You can also email if you have any question, or you can send an SMS. So these are all the things, they have done it very nicely, so that if you have any doubt, just don't leave it out, just reach them out. What I will tell you is, so this is all about NQT, and I wish you all the best. You all can go and apply for this. Thank you so much for watching Fresh Learning Academy, and all the very best.